Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Turkish Academy YouTube channel. In this lesson, we are going to learn the plural suffix in Turkish language. How to make nouns plural in Turkish. Making words plural in Turkish is incredibly easy and 100% regular. There are no irregular words like mice or children. You only have two choices, lar or ler. To pick the right one, you only need to look at the very last vowel of the word. This is called two-way vowel harmony. If the last vowel is a back vowel, a, I, o, u, use lar. If the last vowel is a front vowel, e, I, ö, ü, use ler. Last vowel group, a, I, o, u. Suffix, sonek, lar, masa, masalar. Table, tables. Doktor, doktorlar. Doctor, doctors. Araba, arabalar. Car, cars. Grup e, I, ö, ü. Sonek suffix izler. Sandalye, sandalyeler. Chair, chairs. Ekmek, ekmekler. Bread, breads. Şirket, şirketler. Company, companies. First rule, birinci kural. In English, you say 5 cats or 3 offices, plural. But in Turkish, if there is a number or a quantity word like çok, az, etc. before the noun always stays singular. You can never use the plural suffix after a number. For example, in Turkish, we say 5 kedi for 5 cats. We don't say 5 kediler. It is wrong. Another example is 3 mimar, 3 architects. This is correct, but you can't say 3 mimarlar. No, it has to be 3 mimar. So in these cases, you don't need to make the nouns plural. Second rule, ikinci kural, the exceptions, istisnalar. There are a few foreign loanwords, mostly from Arabic or French, that do not follow the vowel harmony rule. Even though their last vowel is a, o, or u, they take ler because they are pronounced softly. Examples, örnekler, saat, it means hour or clock. Saatler. We can't say saatlar. It has to be saatler. Rol, which means roll. Roller. We can't say rollar. It has to be roller. Control, which means control. Controller. We can't say controllar. It has to be controller. Let's look at the examples. Bir mühendis, one engineer. Mühendisler, engineers. Bir araba, one car. Arabalar, cars. Bir telefon, one telephone. Telefonlar, telephones. Bir masa, one table. Masalar, tables. Bir gözlük, one glasses. Gözlükler, glasses. Bir köpek, one dog, köpekler, dogs. Bir ekmek, one bread, ekmekler, breads. Bir balık, one fish, balıklar, fish or fishes. Bir simit, one Turkish bagel, simitler, Turkish bagels. Bir kalem, one pencil or one pen, kalemler, pencils or pens. So for the end of part 1, I have extra information for you. Hotel questions and personal information. Let's look at the vocabulary. In Turkish, receptionist is resepsiyonist. Housekeeper is kat görevlisi. To say, do you have any available rooms? You should say, Boş odanız var mı? Room number is oda numarası. Room key is oda anahtarı. Floor is kat. Passport please, pasaport lütfen. ID please, kimlik lütfen. Country means ülke. Birthplace means doğum yeri. Birth date means doğum tarihi. Room price means oda fiyatı. Per person means kişi başı. Per night means gecelik. Check-in time means giriş saati. Check-out time means çıkış saati. Breakfast included means kahvaltı dahil. Breakfast time means kahvaltı saati. And all inclusive means her şey dahil. So by this lesson, we have completed part 1. In the next lesson, we are going to continue with part 2, family members. Thanks for watching until here. Please do not forget to like video. See you. Görüşürüz.